What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of our van build. So as you can probably tell from the title, we hit our second mistake already.
Yeah, that was back to back, one right after the other. This window for the sliding door window, we got it from a company website called Van Windows Direct. Was that the one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that style of window, you don't put any kind of framing or anything. It's basically like a really heavy duty glue that sticks on to the sliding door, and that's what holds it. So I was trying to look up resources on how to install it, because to be honest, they didn't really include instructions with the window. You had to go to their website and then look at the instructions, but it's just written. It's just written instructions, no photos or anything, and it's very brief, and they don't even talk about some of the things you're supposed to put in there. So instructions were horrible, and the resources on YouTube were actually very slim as well, surprisingly, because you can find anything on YouTube. So we're making this video to help the next person that's installing or trying to reinstall or fix their window. So you'll see how we fixed it, how we installed it first. We pretty much did it right the first time, but we just got one little detail wrong. That glue stuff, it's called urethane, and we just didn't get it high enough where it was touching the window. But anyways, yeah, check out our process. We just put this kind of gasket kind of thing that comes with the window, put it all around, and now we'll dry fit the window. So it came with this primer stuff, the window, and didn't come with any directions. So I'm just going for it, and I guess I'm just gonna put this on. I honestly don't know, but I feel like this might be the thing to do. So we're just going for it. So we did this right. We just need to now put this urethane, it's like an adhesive, strong adhesive, on all right here, and instead leave like ½ inch gap on either side because you don't want it gooping out or in. So we're gonna do that, and then once you do that, just slap the window in, and then you just pat it, just hit the window, mount it on there. That's it. No screws or bolts or anything. What do you think of that thickness? That's probably pretty good, huh?
I assume so?
It doesn't say like if you're supposed to put like a ton.
I wouldn't put a ton.
Yeah, just like, I feel like this is a good amount. All right, I got all of that on there. Hopefully that's enough, and hopefully this works out. We'll see. There we go. Okay.
Ready? All or nothing,
so I'm
right?
gonna line up with the edge here, like perfectly.
I'm sort of already lined up.
Yeah,
so I think it just goes straight in at this point.
All right, let's do it. Slap it in. Alright guys, so that window installation didn't go as planned, actually. We installed it, I tested it with the water, and it actually leaks a lot. Like, was leaking from the top a lot. I guess I just didn't put enough of that glue stuff on top, and we didn't slap it in enough or something, because that top part is a huge gap right here. Just leaks from here a lot, and it's not even to the point where I can just fill it with some silicone. So yeah, I'm getting it done professionally this time. He's removing it for me, and we're gonna put it back on there, and I'm gonna help him a little bit with that, and hopefully this time it'll be good. So he's got this kind of he's got a suction cup in the inside. You can kind of see through the glass, and then he pulled that wire out from the inside, and I think he's just gonna run it around the perimeter of the window and try to get that sealant off. Oh, crazy. Oh, that's cool. He's like cranking it from the inside, which tightens that twine and rips through. Oh, what a tool. We were gonna do this by ourselves and just struggle for all day. So this is the tool right here that he's using right now. It's like a suction cup, and he like suctions it on there, just cranks it. It's on this wire that cuts through. Who knew such tool existed, man? This is the top right here, and it looks like this is where I maybe didn't get enough on there, I guess. So a little lesson. We put primer on the perimeter, right? All that black stuff is the paint that we put. That's the primer. And it says that even though you're not supposed to put it on the glass, you're still supposed to put it on this plastic piece on the window here. That's why none of that stuff stuck onto this, because it didn't have any primer on it. So if you guys are, you know, doing it, installing it yourself, trying to figure it out, make sure to put primer on that plastic piece right there, or else it won't stick. Comes up and out of it.
Oh, wow.
So you put tape there already, so you can just tape it off.
The moment of truth. Cross your fingers that this time there won't be any leaks. Looking good. Ooh.
No leaks?
Nothing.
Ooh. Oh, thank goodness. What a relief. That was nerve-wracking. Alright, that's good. Ooh. Danny and I were going to reinstall it ourselves, take it off, and try to do it again, but we figured, you know what, let's just take this to a professional. Because we still weren't.
Affair if we did it.
We still weren't 100% sure on how we were supposed to do that. But I'm glad I took it to him, because he had some tools that I didn't have, and yeah, ways to fix it. He knew exactly how to do it.
Yeah,
so
30-minute fix.
Yeah, and it was pretty quick.
1 hour.
Yeah, less than an hour. He got it done.
The other thing we did this week, as you can see, is we got the mattress covers right here.
And my mom actually made these mattress covers custom for us. So it's actually 3 pieces. It's 1, 2, and 3. And you can see, because our mattress folds, this can fold up when we put it back. And then it's also, this is an individual piece as well, because it needs to be separate from the rest of the bed. I'm just using this rope right now to pull it up. But basically, so it needs to be able to do that. So that needs to be separate, and these two are separated but attached. Yeah, still attached right here.
And that's so we can sit down here. We can sit up here as well, but this will be where our table is.
Yeah, this would be like our main kind of like living space couch. It'll be an L-shaped couch right here, and then we're gonna have a legume mount with a table on it. That's gonna be sweet too. And then she made us covers for the couch cushions as well. Well, we don't have the cushions yet.
The only little things we still need to do with the bed is the rope, replace that with something nicer. Also put supports on the doors that will help hold the bed up when we have the stargazing feature on.
Since the van folds in, or curves in, the corner of the bed right here kind of rubs against the wall. So I don't know. It's not really a big deal. Like, we can live with it. You just have to kind of, I don't know. It's not really that big of a deal, honestly.
Yeah, if it bothers us, we could always ask his mom to cut out another individual pillow part, but
restitch it a little bit, but
yeah, it's fine.
It's not big of a deal. Yeah, this is nice though.
Yeah,
I like this.
The other thing we started on was plumbing. That'll probably be its own video just because it's pretty in-depth, and we've only done a few things, and right now everything isn't measured out perfectly, but we could show you what we have so far.
And we built this unit right here. This is going to be where the sink goes. Sink's going to sit in right here. That's the hot water heater right here, and we're also gonna have a water filter as well. This is our water filter. It's kind of big. Kind of thinking of we might downsize, but yeah, that's a nice water filter. I think if it fits right there, I think it'll be perfect. But we'll see with the sink in. We'll see how it goes. But this is gonna be the sink here, and then we'll just have a bunch of drawers right here. Yeah, and then that's gonna be a shower pan right there. Coming together pretty well. We have here our freshwater tank, and this is our fill line right here, this big one, which actually is right here. So we can fill up the water tank from here. That goes into the water tank, and it comes out right here. I have a valve here, on and off, and then that goes up, travels up to the water pump, goes into the accumulator, and then that goes down into the PEX pipe, and that splits two ways. One goes to the back, which is right here. Yeah, we can actually connect an outdoor shower, not even to like just rinse our gear off or rinse ourselves off. So that'll be, yeah, that'll be our outdoor shower. And then it also goes to the front as well. It tees off to the front, and that's gonna go to our hot water tank as well as straight to the tap, or through the filter and the tap. And that's all we've done so far with the plumbing. But plumbing, honestly, it's been pretty straightforward. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicating, but the only complicating thing is trying to find the right fittings. That's really it. It's honestly kind of easy.
We're gonna have a drain down here as well.
Yeah, that'll be our drain port. So I guess, I mean, I could go through it just a tiny bit more, but we'll go through all of this in the next video. I think that'll be a plumbing video. But this right here, the top left, that's actually just a air release. So you need that. So when you drain water, when you put water in, it's the pressure inside the tank has to equalize. So that's what it does, and it goes right up here, right there.
We chose to make it pretty high up just to make sure that water won't leak, especially if we're going uphill or anything like that.
Yeah, so I think that should work. I think that's high enough that water won't come up here and splash out.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. See you guys next time.